Welcome students to class 6th. Today we will continue with the exercise part of first chapter which we have already studied in earlier class, the earth in the solar system. Let's start with the exercise part. So, answer the following question briefly. Students, you can go through your book. Read the first question. How does a planet differ from a star? So what is the difference? Stars. Stars are very big and hot celestial bodies made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. Whereas what do you mean by planet? What is the difference? Planets are celestial bodies usually smaller than stars. They do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of stars. That means stars are having their own heat and light, whereas planets don't have their own heat and light. They are lit by the lights of, or we can say they are lit by the light of stars. Next question is, what is mean by the solar system? It is very simple. The term solar system refers to the family of the sun. The sun, earth, that means all the planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids, comets and meteoroids together form the solar system. Now next question, name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. As you study in your class, what is the order? First, for what comes first? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and then Neptune. Next is, why is the Earth called a unique planet? Why is the Earth called a unique planet? The Earth is called a unique planet because it is the only planet which has favorable conditions that supports life. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Second is, it has water and air which are very essential for our survival. That means Earth is the only planet in the solar system which supports life. That is why it is a unique planet. What is the next question? Why do we see only one side of the moon always? What is the right answer? The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It exactly takes the same time to complete one spin on its own axis. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. Then what is the last question? What is the universe? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. Millions of such galaxies make up the universe. Okay, now let's go through tick the correct answers. What is the first question? The planet is known as the Earth. Twins is, what is the correct answer, students? The right answer is Venus. Second question is, which is the third nearest planet to the sun? The right answer is Earth. All the planets move around the sun in which path? The right answer is elongated path. Next question. The pole star indicate the direction to the north. Asteroids are found between the orbit of, what is the right answer, students? Mars and Jupiter. Okay, now filling the blanks. You can see the answers. A group of dash forming various pattern is called a dash. The answer are already given. A huge system of stars is called a galaxy. The moon is the closest celestial body to our earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. And last, planets do not have their own heat and light. Our exercise part is over, students, but let us know some extra things which is also a part of your book. Define the term satellite. Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. In students, in this there is some mistake, you can correct. Satellite is a, not AC. It is a. Satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. And one more important, that is, name some Indian satellites in space. They are INSET, IRS and EDUSAT. The full form are also given. For INSET, the Indian National Satellite. For IRS, Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. And EDUSAT, Educational Satellite. With this, our exercise part of first chapter is also completed. Note down in your fair copy.